Alright. Got some resources for them. Oh, it's a dead bee. Let's do this. Just taking a look here real quick. They're making honey with that. It's 65 degrees, so it's a little bit cool, but it's not going to get any warmer. Some brood. And resources. There's a brood and resources there too. Festooning going on right there in the bottom. I'm going to go to the other side here because I'm going to take that falling board out, and we're going to have, I think, 10 frames in here. If not, it's going to be enough for them to grow. There's the queen right there. Hi, queen. I'm glad you're doing good. What a good queen you is. Okay. Put her back in. And I gotta get this one out too. Oh wait, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna leave one better bee, I think, on either side. They don't have many resources. These frames are light, so they're gonna get fed. That's got not much at all on it. In fact, I think I'll put the honey there. I think they've been consuming. Oh, there's some honey. I think this wants to go in. Well, I'm not gonna jack them all up. There's the bottom. There's the hive gate and how they'll fan. They'll go right in the entrance of the hive gate and fan whether they need air in or out. So there's the better comb, and then I'm gonna take this following board out because we got some resources for them now. So I'll put the better comb out at the edge. Put that full thing of honey. Okay, let's see if it'll go in there. If I scratch it, they'll start eating it. It's so funny. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I got 10 in there. Sweet. And I got that. I'll button it back up. I'm gonna feed them also. sealed back up. Took one of the better combs out and the 2 fall wind boards. I'm going to go and get them some delicious snacks. Okay, gals. Oh, they're flying. They're going there. There you go. Now, some of these might not have been out of the hive yet. Maybe young nurse bees. Alright, I'm gonna go get some food for them. Okay. Only the best. So let's do this. Get this prepped up. Okay. Let's pop this in here if it'll fit. I'm just going to have to go like this. And they got to be able to get in here. To get the goodies. Okay. That should work. Keep them fed for a little while. Sticky, sticky. Go. And there's honey in here from when I had the frame stored, so I'm going to be putting that back out in the front yard, minus the better comb frame. But that's it for now. They're fed.